bridge opening number 34. Dang, that bridge is so small.
We're going back to the beach. We were already here before, but we didn't bring it. We forgot the GoPro at the boat. But we just swam from the boat to this little beach, and we're walking through these woods, into the other beach. Water. Wait, let me see you. Oh, I thought he had a beard.
Yeah, look at you.
Do I have one?
Yeah, it looks like you have one too.
No.
No, yours, trust me, it's probably better than
No,
mine.
yours looks like an actual. Oh, you swiped it off.
No, yours looks so real.
Do it.
No.
We're here at the clear waters. Let's jump in the water after Petey. Can you see my face?
So I have to clean the bilge pumps. So nasty. It's just one. There's like 4 in there. Crazy houses. Are you gonna live here one day? Yeah. Another bridge opening.
I'm making pancakes. I still need to turn this on.
Yeah. So, me, Pete, and Ethan just went to a shop and bought some frozen shrimp. It's sitting right there and it's starting to get smelly. But we just ate lunch and I think we're gonna go fishing. Let's go and see what Petey caught. What do you think that is? Just a simple zebra fish. What's his name? Henry.
Oh, Henry.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Henry.
Okay. I'm gonna need you to like.
The Bahamas preparation has begun. It's gonna be a moist one tonight. Okay. Take it, dog. Jeez. Sorry. Yeah, that's right. I don't only play guitar.
We're going out in the rain to the water fountain.
If you wanted to hold something.
I'll have the headlight. Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
That's actually better.
Okay, good.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Oh.
put one over top of your head.
All right. Oh my.
Are you gonna go?
You go. Okay. so good. Okay. Fill these up.
What you doing? What?
I have to go pee.
Just pee in the water tower.
What?
Really want.
Okay. GoPro, stop recording.
Good morning, guys.
It's
We're
not.
going on a walk
Follow
this
me.
morning.
I see a boat.
Scary Beach, this is where the bridge lifts.
Not this part doesn't lift. I don't think.
Oh, look at the squad. Oh, big lizard, look at this. Right here. He's got the swirly tail.
Oh yeah.
Isn't it so weird? I think it's like a gift.
That's Sally's ancestor.
We're going to the beach. We're almost there.
That's
Just wow.
And it looks super clean too.
Yeah. Pathway. This guy is like, definitely, his name is Maximus. Hey, we're not trying to harm you, dog. Not running.
We're leaving Point. We're heading to Fort Lauderdale.
We have our 12:30 bridge opening. Just waiting a couple minutes.
Right there, that bridge ahead, Fort Lauderdale. And that's a good spot to chill. Alright, we're almost there. Just one more gate.
On the move.